Okay, now do some twerking.
All right, so I've always wanted to make one of these things, and now I finally got all the parts to make it happen. I'm gonna take my Go Ruck bag, mount it on a hard external frame, but use these hinges, and we're gonna make it bounce. All right, so the new subframe has been built on top of the old frame, which carries the drawer slides. And this will be connected via another frame, which goes to the other drawer slide and back, and all that will move as a unit connected by maybe bungee cords or something here yet, don't know. So let's start making that part. All right, so I've got a moving tray now. What I did is I just move that off for a minute. This is the metal tray that slides back and forth on the drawer slide. So I've got about 11 inches total here. And now the plan would be to hook up some, I left this bar here so I can hook some bungees and, you know, attach it so it stays in the middle. And because I didn't know what I'd be putting on it, I just made this pan with some holes in the side of it so I can bungee stuff around maybe and hold it in place with a little lip so it doesn't fall off the bottom. So let's get some bungees. All right, so I got the back plate on there. Still pretty good. Wow, this is gonna be funny. I'm gonna pull this. Now that plate's on there, I can load this up, tuck these straps in. All right, this is gonna be good. Let's see how she works. Backpack trials. We got the GR2 hooked into the future of all awesome backpack upgrades, the bouncy thingy, and a couple metal plates. Let's see what happens here. So that actually worked surprisingly well. the slow run was it was really bouncing, but when I was running fast, it actually stayed right there. So now I want to put more weight in it. Let's go put another steel plate in. So I've got a 25-pound plate in here now. Let's add another 20-pound plate. And let's just see here. So right now this thing is weighing in at 55 pounds. This is where the straps are going to break. Oh, still working. All right, let's go run. All right, 55 pounds, full sprint. Can't do that one. Okay, that's impossible. Can't do jumping. All right, another good one we like to do is mountain climbers. Let's see how that works with mountain climbers. Of course, bear crawls. Doesn't work. Doesn't work for bear crawls. So clearly the bear crawl sucked. Don't do bear crawls with donkeys. The one that everybody likes to do. I'm up, he sees me, I'm down. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh! I think that's it. Oh. I need an evac. Oh no! Alright, so after that catastrophic failure, you can see where the backpack came apart. The rollers just came apart. They popped out of the runners, right? These are drawer slides meant for your kitchen cabinets. They're not meant to carry 55 pounds on your back while doing all that crazy stuff. Actually, you know, for the running though, the running actually worked out pretty good because every time I stepped, it took the load or the shock off the bottom end, which I found kind of interesting, but it completely failed in doing anything else. It just sort of catapulted me out of the I'm up, he sees me, I'm down aspect. As soon as I stood up, it just kept going, and then I just started tumbling over. I couldn't get my feet back under it before it toppled me over. So I definitely could probably improve it with some different sliders, and probably even putting some dampers at the bottom so it wouldn't hit so hard on either end, and then even change the elastics and maybe some dual rate springs and, you know, whatever. I could keep improving this to the cows come home, but I don't really care that much. It's just an experiment, have some fun. It took me like an hour, and I don't know, just like rucking the good old fashioned way, I guess. Just deal with it, get some blisters and deal with it. And now, what are we gonna build next?